Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on iMessage. So if you're trying to message someone on iMessage, right, generally when you text someone, it's going to go as blue if they're not blocked. So if you're not blocked, it will go right through without any issues. Now, if you're blocked, right, for example, if I send a message here, right, it's going to either be blue or say not delivered, just like that, and that's potentially a sign that you may be blocked, where this will also turn green, so it'll send as a text, but actually even the text will not get to them if you're really blocked. So that's the option that you'll see here. So it's going to be either not deliver, or this bubble, instead of blue, it will be green. Those are two indicators to know that you have been blocked. Now, this isn't exactly always the case. There are certain times where a message will not go as delivered, or it will be green, and those are the reasons are going to be if the person has their phone, maybe they're turned off is one case, maybe they don't have a cellular data, or they're not connected to Wi-Fi, it will not go. So you can't be sure for 100% if you're blocked. You can know that if this happens where the message isn't going through after multiple tries, right? If you're trying to text them a few times and it keeps on saying not deliver, or it's been a while since the other person not getting your messages, it could be that. And another case is also if they change from iPhone to an Android phone somehow, if they switch carriers and they don't have iMessage any longer, it's not going to send as a blue text. It will go as a green text as well. So again, there's some scenarios where you can tell, and it's not going to be exact science there. Another thing you can do also is text someone else that you know has iMessage, and you're seeing that those messages are going through, but this person is just isn't going through. Again, you could be potentially blocked. So that's how you can tell. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll catch you guys on the next one.